Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can merge cells in your documents and spreadsheets on LibreOffice Calculator in 2026. So let us dive into this. So navigate to your table or spreadsheet, and as you can see, I merged these cells here. Let me show you how to do it. Start by left-clicking to the first cell you would like to merge with other cells. After that, press and hold left shift on your keyboard and select the next cell with your left mouse. Now you can do this with two cells, with 3 or 4, for example, 6, and so on and so forth. So I will go with these two here, yeah? Select them, and after that, there are two ways. You may, for example, right-click into them and select Merge Cells, or use that option here at the top, Merge Cells. Click into it, and here in that menu, select one of these options. For example, users can move the cell contents into the first cell. So in this case here, if I select this, both numbers will be moved to the left cell here, or alternately guys, if I undo this and select the second option, it would look like this, and now the content has been moved to the cell to the right, and part of the content has been hidden. So that's option number 2, and option number 3 would be to use this option. Actually, I don't see any difference here, so I will go with option number 1 and leave it like this. And that's it, guys. Of course, you can customize the alignment and now move it to the center of that merged cell or to the right. And yeah, that's how you merge cells in LibreOffice Calculator. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.